Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a weave on using your attachment. So I went ahead to buy your attachment. I used one attachment for this hair. I'm going to divide it into 3 equal parts, then I begin to stretch it out. This is to enable the attachment have a fine finish look. So you stretch out your attachment, you sort it out, make sure it's smooth, you comb it, you add your hair cream, make sure it's all fine. As you can see, I'm sorting it out. Did that in bits so I could get everything together. You go ahead to comb it out. Yes, you can see it looks better now. I went ahead to get hot water. I added hair conditioner, and soak that. You have to sun dry it. Afterwards, you thread it like so. You make a loop, put the attachment through the loop. It's easy, guys. Just get a thread, put it around your chair, and just take bits of the attachment, make a hole, put the ends through the loop, and there you have it, guys. It's as simple as it looks. Voila! You do this until you get this result. Your attachment or your weave on should look like this. You go ahead to put everything together. Afterwards, you're going to use your hair stretcher to burn the edges. Not like burn, it's an attachment, so we don't need high heat. You're going to do that on a low heat. This will make sure that the edges is firm, is strong. Afterwards, we're gonna iron it. Yes, baby, we're going to iron it. We don't want it to be smooth. Yeah, so this is the result. After ironing, you can see the difference. It looks better, it looks smooth and silk. After doing this, we'll go ahead to fix our now Weavon to a wig cap, turn it into a wig. As you can see, I already made out my closure, which I did with a ventilating needle. If you request a tutorial on that, kindly make a comment and I will do a separate video of that. So you just continue to sew this onto your wig cap until the very end, like so. After I was done, I stretched it out with my hair stretcher on low heat to give it a more beautiful look. So here's the final result. Thank you guys for watching. Do well to like, share, and subscribe.